Welcome back, folks, to the channel. In our previous video, we looked at 10 exciting business opportunities. In this video, we will look into the steps and processes of starting business number 2, health and wellness coaching. Have you ever thought about starting your own health and wellness coaching business? A fascinating realm where well-being meets entrepreneurship, this venture blends the art of helping others with the thrill of running your own show. In our fast-paced world, the demand for health and wellness services is surging, with more and more individuals seeking guidance to lead healthier, happier lives. It's a trend that's not just a fad, but a profound shift in societal values. Stay tuned as we guide you through the steps to start your own health and wellness coaching business. The first step to starting your own business is understanding the industry. Delving into the health and wellness industry, it's evident that it's a thriving sector brimming with opportunities. In fact, it's a market that has been growing exponentially over the past few years, and forecasts predict that it will continue to flourish. This growth is driven by a global shift towards a more health-conscious lifestyle and an increasing emphasis on preventive healthcare. Now, let's talk about the key trends shaping this industry. The rise of digital health technologies, for instance, has revolutionized the way health and wellness services are delivered. From online consultations to fitness apps, technology plays an integral role in this sector. Another trend to note is the growing focus on mental wellness, as more people are recognizing its importance and seeking help to manage stress and improve mental resilience. But where do health and wellness coaches fit into this landscape? Well, they play a crucial role in empowering individuals to lead healthier lives. As a health and wellness coach, your job won't just be about recommending diets or exercise routines. It's about guiding people on their journey towards overall well-being, helping them set realistic health goals, and providing them with the support and motivation they need to achieve these goals. Your role would also involve educating clients about the importance of maintaining a balanced lifestyle and teaching them how to make healthier choices. And with the increasing focus on personalized wellness, you'd need to tailor your approach to each client's unique needs and circumstances. The beauty of this industry is that it's not just about physical health. It's about holistic wellness, encompassing physical, mental, and emotional well-being. This broad scope offers numerous avenues for specialization, from nutrition and fitness coaching to stress management and mindfulness coaching. So, as you can see, the health and wellness industry is a dynamic and rewarding field, offering ample opportunities for those passionate about making a difference in people's lives. It's about more than just making a living. It's about helping others live their best lives. Now that you have a grasp of what the industry entails, it's time to plan your business. A well-laid plan is essential to the success of your business. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a fundamental truth that's been proven time and again across a myriad of industries, and health and wellness coaching is no exception. Charting the course of your business journey begins with a comprehensive business plan. This isn't just a document for investors or banks, it's your roadmap, your guidebook, your compass. It's the tool that helps you navigate the challenging terrain of entrepreneurship. Let's break down the sections of a business plan, starting with market analysis. Knowledge is power, and understanding your market is the key to harnessing that power. Market analysis involves researching your potential clients, competitors, and industry trends. It's about knowing who needs your services, who else is offering them, and how you can stand out in the crowd. Next, we move on to business structure. Will you be a sole proprietor, or will you create a partnership or corporation? Your business structure impacts everything from your legal responsibilities to your tax obligations. It's crucial to choose the structure that best aligns with your business goals and personal preferences. Now let's talk about services. What will you offer? Will you specialize in a particular area of health and wellness? Or will you provide a range of services? Clearly define what you will offer and how it will benefit your clients. The next chapter in your business plan is your marketing and sales strategy. How will you attract clients? What channels will you use to reach them? Understanding your target audience and their needs will help you craft a compelling marketing message and choose the most effective promotional channels. Lastly, we come to financial projections. This is where you crunch the numbers, estimating your startup costs, ongoing expenses, and potential revenue. It's a reality check that helps you gauge the financial viability of your business. With a solid plan in place, you're ready for the next step: certification. A well-planned journey is half the battle won. Now, let's get you equipped with the right tools and skills to conquer the wellness coaching industry. Certification not only enhances credibility, but also ensures you are equipped with the right skills. So let's delve into why getting certified is a game changer in the health and wellness coaching business. Think about it this way. When you're seeking out a professional, whether it's a doctor, lawyer, or yes, a health and wellness coach, you want to know they've got the right qualifications. It's about trust. A certification tells your clients, I've done the work, I've gained the knowledge, and I'm committed to this profession. But it's not just about your clients, it's about you too. Getting certified gives you a solid foundation of skills and knowledge that you'll use every day in your coaching practice. It equips you with the tools you need to guide your clients towards their health and wellness goals effectively. So, where do you get this certification? There are plenty of reputable programs out there. Some of the top-tier options include the National Board for Health and Wellness Coaching, the Institute for Integrative Nutrition, and the Wellness Council of America. These programs offer comprehensive training that covers everything from nutrition and exercise science to coaching techniques and business strategies. Remember, each certification program has its own set of requirements. Some might require a specific educational background, others might require a certain amount of hands-on experience, and almost all will require an investment of time and money. But don't let that scare you off. Consider it an investment in your future. Choosing the right certification program for you is an individual decision. You'll want to consider factors like the curriculum, the program's reputation, the cost, and the time commitment. Take your time, do your research, and choose a program that aligns with your career goals and personal values. And remember, getting certified isn't the end of your educational journey, it's just the beginning. As a health and wellness coach, you'll need to stay up to date on the latest research, trends, and best practices. That's where continuing education comes in. Look for opportunities to learn and grow throughout your career. With certification, you're well on your way to setting up your business. So, let's get started, shall we? Now comes the exciting part, setting up your business. This is the phase where your health and wellness coaching enterprise starts taking shape. Let's start with the basics. Choosing a business name. Your business name is your identity. It's what sets you apart. It should be unique, memorable, and reflect the essence of your coaching service. Consider a name that resonates with your target audience, a name they can connect with. Remember, first impressions count. Once you've decided on a name, it's time to register your business. This is a legal requirement and it legitimizes your operations. Depending on your location, you may have to register with local, regional, or national authorities. It's advisable to consult with a local business attorney or an accountant to ensure you're in compliance with all laws and regulations. Next on the list, getting insurance. This is a crucial step that shouldn't be overlooked. As a health and wellness coach, you're providing a service that directly impacts people's lives. Insurance protects you from potential liabilities and unforeseen circumstances. Look for an insurance provider that specializes in your field and get the coverage that suits your needs. Setting up an office is the next step. This doesn't necessarily mean renting a commercial space. An office could be a dedicated room in your home, a co-working space, or a rented office suite. The key is to have a quiet, private, and comfortable space where you can conduct your coaching sessions without interruptions. Last but not least, purchasing equipment. This could range from office furniture to a good quality laptop, reliable internet connection, and perhaps some wellness tools like yoga mats or resistance bands. The kind of equipment you need largely depends on the services you're offering. Remember, starting a business involves an initial investment. However, smart planning and budgeting can help you manage your resources effectively without compromising the quality of your service. Once you've set up your business, it's all about attracting clients. And that's what we will dive into in our next segment. Stay tuned. Attracting clients is vital for the success of your business. Now let's dive into some effective strategies you can employ to accomplish this task. First off, networking. It's a powerful tool that can open the door to a wealth of opportunities. Attend industry events, join local business groups, and don't forget to carry your business cards wherever you go. Your next client could be just a handshake away. Next, create a professional website. Your online presence is your calling card, and it's often the first impression potential clients get of your business. Make sure your website is user-friendly, informative, and reflects your brand's identity. Then we have social media. It's not just for sharing cat videos. It's a potent platform to reach a wider audience. Share useful advice, motivational quotes, success stories, and don't shy away from engaging with your followers. Offering free sessions can also be a game changer. It provides a risk-free way for potential clients to experience your services. Once they see the value, they'll be more inclined to sign up for more. Finally, consider partnering with other health professionals. This can expand your client base and provide opportunities for cross-promotion. For instance, a nutritionist could refer their clients to you for wellness coaching, and vice versa. By attracting clients, you're well on your way to running a successful health and wellness coaching business. So keep pushing, and remember, your success is tied to the success of your clients. Starting a health and wellness coaching business can be a rewarding venture. We've journeyed together through the steps necessary to set the foundations for your business. We started by understanding the industry, gaining insight into the trends and challenges that shape the health and wellness landscape. This knowledge is vital as it informs your business approach and highlights potential opportunities for growth. Next, we delved into business planning, a crucial step that provides your business with direction and clarity. We then moved on to the importance of getting certified, an essential credential that adds credibility to your venture. Setting up your business was our next focal point, where we discussed the logistics of establishing your enterprise. And finally, we explored strategies for attracting clients, the lifeblood of your business. With these steps, you're well on your way to starting your own health and wellness coaching business. Good luck on your journey. Thanks for watching. In our next videos, we will be elaborating further on business number 3, digital marketing agency. If you will like that, stay tuned to the channel.